How to read the share market trading platform. Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and existing investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Let's go through the share trading platform. Today, let's go through the share trading platform by CGS-CIMB. This is the website untiltedchamber.com.my. Our video earlier, we guide on how to register for a demo account or how to open a share trading account. You are welcome to contact us. So now we need to log into our platform. So we click on this members login, then we go to trading hall. Once we are here, we need to type our user ID and password. Then we can click on go. Okay, this is the interface for CGS-CIMB iTrade. First one, we will talk about the code screen, how to read the code screen. This is sorted by the top volume. So here we can look at the code, or we can search. Let's say you would like to know what is the CIMB code. We type on CIMB, we go to the counters. Each company or each public listed companies, they got their own stock code. It's unique one. It won't be repeat. This one belongs to CIMB as well. If start with C is the call warrant. If H is the put warrant. So this is the close price, 4.55. This one is the previous day closing price. Let's say this one is for today. So yesterday, the stock closed at 4.55. Top TOP. This one is the theoretical opening price. This one is the pre-opening price before the market open or before closing. Either it is theoretical opening price or theoretical closing price, TCP. But in our screen, it will be TOP, top. High. High is the day high for the company. Let's say this one, the day high is 4.56. That means today, the highest price is 4 ringgit 56 cent. So the lowest price is 4 ringgit 51 cent. So big quantity. This one is the quantity queuing to buy at 4.52. If let's say you like to sell, you can look at the bid quantity and bid price. If let's say you like to sell at market, so this is the price that you can sell at market, and this is the quantity available. Next one, ask. Ask is the sell price. If you like to buy the market, this is the price you should look at, 4.53. So this one is the ask quantity, the available quantity for this price. Last, this one is the last price, the last transaction price. So it's 4.52. Now the market is off, so this one is fixed, or else it will be keep jumping, keep moving. This one is the change for the day compared to the closing price earlier. So now is 4.52. The previous closing price is 4.55. So it's changed, it dropped about 3 cents. Volume. Volume is the total transaction volume of the day. So today the transaction volume is about 4 million, 4.8 million. So the change in percentage, it dropped about 0.66%. This one margin percentage, you can ignore it first. This one, if you would like to go for advanced, you would like to open a margin account, then you can refer here. So this is the basic for the code screen. Okay, we can search for the company. Let's say you like to search for Genting, you can search for it, Genting, and go to Genting. If you're not sure what is the code or what is the symbol for the company, you can always check with the third-party platform. Let's say we go to the Malaysia Stock Biz, or we go to KIC Screener. For this, we go to Malaysia Stock.biz. We can search for the company. Let's say we like to search for CIMB. CIMB Group Holdings Berhad. So we can double confirm here. This is the stock code as stock symbol for the company. Let's say we like to go for Maybank. Yeah, you can look at this. Maybank Banking Berhad. The stock code is 1155. The symbol is Maybank. Okay, so we'll go back to the platform. Next, let's talk about the color. Why this is green color? What is green color mean for? But it's subject for the platform. For CGS-CIMB platform, green color means positive. That means it goes up. So the price goes up at 4.73 compared to the previous closing price. If let's say it is in red color, what it means? Red means drop, negative. That means the share price drop. Okay, we'll go back to just now, all stocks. Okay, here for easy understanding, we look at D next. So this one, the theoretical opening price is drop. So it is in red color. And for this one, EcoFirst WD. EcoFirst is the company. If start with W, this is the warrant of the company. Okay, for this one, you can look at the color. It is green color, so it is up, which means it's positive for the day. Okay, for this one, got another color, which is blue color. This one is at the S market. Yeah, we can go to here. S market is the second board. You look at it, the symbol color is all blue, but it's subject to the platform. For CGSMB, it is blue color. For other companies, it might be in other colors. So this one is how they differentiate it for easier understanding. Okay, we're done with the code screen. We can always sort the company by IPO new listing, main market. We can search for it, technology, constructions, or property, or finance services, or we can search by S market or ETF, etc. Or is PN17. PN17, the symbol is in red color. That means it is in danger indirectly. It means it is some high risk counters. To know better about what is PN17, you can always search at Bursa Malaysia website, or we will cover it next. Okay, we back to our stock. It can sorted by volume or top gainers in terms of percentage or in terms of the numbers value. This is how we search, we filter. Normal bought lot, normal odd lot, buy in bought lot, buy in odd lot. If you like to buy odd lot, you can go to normal odd lot. For normal bought lot is one lot equal to 100 units. Okay, we will go to the next one. Market depth. What is market depth? Market depth is for us to view the existing buyers and seller. For example, let's say we go to CIMB Bank. Bid and ask. If you like to sell at market, it would be 4 ringgit 52 cent. If you like to buy at market, is 4 ringgit 53 cent. How about if you would like to sell at 4 ringgit 53 cent? You will be in queue here. If let's say you like to sell higher price, 4 ringgit 60 cent, it will be at ask price as well. You'll be queuing until there are a buyer buy from you. Unless if you want to sell at market, then you can go to here. Next one, we will talk about the order pack, this one. For example, let's say just now we talk about CIMB Bank. If we would like to buy into CIMB Bank, we can right click, click on buy. Then here we can see our order pack here, the trading limit, the account number, stock is the CIMB Bank, the action is buy. Order type, you can put limit or stop limit. For more complicated, it will be stop limit. For normal one, we just choose limit. For the quantity, yes, here you can see one lot is 100 units. So let's say you want to buy one lot, then you can see the summary here. One lot is 100 units. Let's say you want to buy 1,000 units. You can put 10. So it will be 1,000 units. Here is the summary for the transaction. You can refer here. Let's say here you put 10, will be 1,000. And the price, you can choose the price you would like to put. It depends, it's up to you. Let's say you want to buy at 4 ringgit, then you will be in queue like we mentioned just now, because the market price now is 452, 453. You like to buy at 4 ringgit, you need to wait for the sellers to match your quantity. And the settlement currency, minimum quantity, this one you can ignore it because this one is in ringgit. You can choose in ringgit. Validity, here is for the complicated one, FAK, FOK, GTV. We will cover it in our next video. Okay, PIN. Trading PIN is the 6-digit password that you have created earlier, which is in numeric, the 6-digit number. You need to fill in every time if you like to buy or sell, or you can save it for the day. If let's say you didn't cross your platform, you can save it, so it will be faster for the process. So you can look at the confirmation as well. If you are not familiar with the order yet, you can always check for the confirmation. Please do not click on the skip. If let's say you like to buy CIMB Bank at 4 ringgit, 10 lot, look at the summary, 4,000 ringgit. But this one is exclude the transaction cost, of course. So here you click on buy. So here will be the summary of the confirmation. If you are confirmed to buy, let's say CIMB Bank at 4 ringgit, 1,000 units, then you can click on buy. You can check your order here. You can go back to your order book. Order book here, you can see the symbol is CIMB Bank. You order at today. Then the action is buy, limit day. Day is waited for 1 day only. Because today is holiday, then it will be on next day. So here you can look at the status. It is pending release because the market is not open yet. If let's say if it's in queue, it will be in queue. If match, it will be in match or filled. If it is cancel, the status will be showing cancel. If it is rejected, it will be showing rejected. The order is rejected. So the order quantity we mentioned is 1,000. Order price 4 ringgit. Then here total match because it's not matched yet, so it's 0. And average price is 0 as well. So the match value is 0 as well. And the last price 4 factor because it's the closing price for the last transaction day. Okay, the expiry date you can see here is on tomorrow, which is on 11 August. If let's say the order is matched, you can see it inside your equities portfolio. So you just click on OK, you can see at your portfolio there. There is the sum of the basic for the CGSCIB platform. If let's say you would like to go to other exchange, if you will subscribe it, you can go to NASDAQ, New York, which is the US exchange, or Hong Kong exchange, Singapore exchange, etc. Here is the old online exchange provided by the CGSCIB. You can search here. If let's say you like to read on the reports for your client summary or your money statement, it's all here. If you like to look at your balance, you can go to client summary. Okay, this one is the summary. You can look at here. You can go through here. This one, trust is your balance. Let's say go to the money statement. You can choose your account and choose they will be available for 3 months only. For the rest, it will be emailed to you in e-statement. Okay, these are the basic of the trading platform. If you like to know more about the trading platform, welcome to contact us. Feel free to follow our Facebook page, Know How in Share, for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Know How in Share, your share market buddy. Thank you.